Today I'm going to look at a tool that can turn a boring PDF into an interesting flipbook. It's called Flipbooklets, and we're going to try it out and make a book from one of my boring PDF files. I'll put a link in the description of this video so you can try it out for yourself. Just quickly show you my other channel. Hopefully you've subscribed to Phil Reviewer by now, but at ChatGPT Vision is just a project I'm doing where I'm creating a faceless YouTube channel. There it is, at GPT Vision. And at the moment I'm creating fake news items with virtual avatars. Just thought you might be interested. See how I get on with that. See if we get any traction on the fakeness with AI. All right, so here we go. Here is our look at Flipbooklets. Okay, so it looks quite easy to use. I'm just using the free version of Flipbooklets. You can check that link out. You might be able to get a lifetime deal or subscribe and you can create lots of different booklets. But here we go. You choose your file and then you put the title to it. This is just a PDF I've got, very boring. Speed quizzing. Brand guidelines. It's the only one I had on my computer. Sorry, I tried to find another one, but no good. Now then, I'm not going to bother with the meta title, but that's what you would do if you wanted it to appear everywhere on Google. And we're going to create the book. This is what it does. This isn't going to be one of my longest videos, but it might be worth you trying this out for yourself if you want to make your PDFs more interesting. So it was a boring PDF file. I can show you the original if you want. Let's find it very quickly and open it up. Hang on a second. Pause the vid. So yes, it was just a PDF file that opened up. And you would scroll through like that. So, I mean, all right. Not the perfect choice for a demonstration video, this. But you can imagine, you know, if you've got any files, a story, it could be a work document, you know, welcoming people to the company. So that's the boring file. And it has changed into, with Flipbook, this. So now they will go online. You'll give them the link and... look at that. It's an interesting flip booklet. I quite like it, actually. And they can scroll through the pages in the booklet. What else can you do with it? Closes the booklet. Go back. You can zoom in on pages. So, yeah. Oh, no, that's search, sorry. You can see all the different pages down the left. You can play it. Will that play it back automatically? I'm not sure. If I press play. Well, that'll scroll through automatically. All right, I quite like it. Have you got a use for Flipbooklets? I think, really. I just want to try one more thing on it. So let's just go back. My books. I'm just going to... Can I edit it in here, or have I got to start again? So you can have it like that. So if you do upgrade, you'll be able to have a single or a spread view. You'll be able to change the icon colours. You'll be able to change the background colours. And you can do other things like you can have the sounds on or off. You can disable the toolbar and change the book from a magazine to a brochure to a hardback to a photo album. All right. So that's what you can do if you upgrade and actually, you know, don't use the freebie. With the freebie that I'm using, you can just get one book like this. So I'm just going to try that one other thing that I can change on it. Right to left view mode. So let's see if that makes... What's right to left? All right, that just opens the other way. I'm not sure why you'd want to do that. Well, I'm zooming here, sorry. So that's all you can do. Right. So I quite like that. I just don't know what you think about it. Just a quick video. All right, we can pause it there. Seems very easy to use. Simply upload your PDF file to Flipbook and it will convert it into a flippable book. And I think that's it, isn't it? Okay, so short and sweet video there for Flipbook. But hey, it's a simple tool that converts PDFs into flipbooks. So try it out for yourself. Check out the link in the description. And thanks for subscribing to Phil Review Software, when I review software. I'm in one of those funny moods today. I'll see you next time. Cheers.